So, friends, welcome back to our session Standard 8 Mathematics NCRT textbook, chapter number 4 Practical Geometry. In that exercise 4.3, question number 1, construct the following quadrilaters. First one, quadrilateral MORE. We construct MORE. This is a rough sketch where MO is given to us 6 centimeter and OR is given to us 4.5 centimeter, angle M 60 degree, angle O 105 degree, angle R 105 degree, and using this measurement we need to draw, means 5 elements must be required for construction of any quadrilateral. So 2 sides and 3 angles they have given. Using this we need to construct a quadrilateral MORE. First of all, we will start with the base MO 6 centimeter. Okay, then 60 degree angle from M also we can draw, and here O 105 degree, and the distance will be 4.5 centimeter. So this part we will first complete, then we will go for this angle R. Okay friends, now first of all you will see the base. So we need to construct a base of it. For this we require scale. I will just make a base of it using this one. Okay, I need some more space, that's why. So starting from this initial point, 6 centimeter is required. So till here M O 6 centimeter. Now they have asked us angle M 60 degree and angle O 105 degree. So how we can do this? As we have learned how to draw angles. So using compasses और 3 सेंटीमीटर का रेडियस में जनरली बोलता हूँ कि वो अच्छा रहता है 3 सेंटीमीटर, नॉर्मली 3 सेंटीमीटर. Okay, taking M as center, M as center, draw a semicircle on it. Clear? Now 3 centimeter we have taken, so from this point MO के बीच में यहाँ पे X पॉइंट समझ लो. So this point will help us to do the intersection of this on the semicircle, and this intersecting point will help us to do 60 degree angle. But exactly we don't know how much 60 degree angle presently given to us. The length distance between M2 is not given, but degree is given. So I just draw a dotted line, dotted ray. Okay, they have given angle O 105 degree. So for this 3 centimeter distance only I am taking, drawing another semicircle here on this side. Clear? They have asked me to draw how much? 75 degree, sorry, 105 degree. So from this point 60 degree, again I will draw one more 60, means it will become 120. So 16, 60, 120. नाउ द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ दिस टू, दोनों का मध्यस्थ निकाल देता हूँ, सेंटर ऑफ इट. So I am getting one angle and this will give me 90 degree. क्या देगा ये मुझे? 90 degree. Middle of this 16. Okay. So this will give me 90 degree. But actually if I am doing inside then it will be 60 and 90 के बीच में there will be 75. और 90 and 120 के बीच में there will be 105. So mediator of these two, that is again 3 centimeter distance रखा है मैंने, nothing more. This one and from here. So intersection of these two gives me a point, and how much distance I want to take, that also they have given. So again I will draw a dotted line only. Because they have given O2 here. It is O2 R is how much they have said? 4.5 centimeters. So 4.5 only I will take here, and that much part will be darkened. इसको highlight कर दूँगा. This point will be R, 4.5 centimeter. This angle 105 degree. इतना तो बना दिया भाई, ठीक है. जस्ट आई नीड टू क्लीन दिस वन, क्योंकि फिर बहुत सारे आर्क हो जाएंगे. इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके. सो हियर now as we have got 4.5 R point from OR, now they have given that R also 105 degree. So we need to take the measurement. I just turn on this side, turn कर रहा हूँ, okay, because I want to make a semicircle from here also. So using this compasses and pencil, I will definitely draw a semicircle of 3 centimeter radius on R. So try to erase this because I have got this one. मिल चुका है तो इसको फिर इरेज कर देता हूँ. ये भी मिल चुका. Then again I will draw a semicircle from R. Okay. Then first cut will give me 60 degree. Second cut from this 60 degree will give me 120 degree. And the bisector of these two, okay, दोनों का bisector. मैं थोड़ा सा बड़ा ले लेता हूँ तो दिक्कत ना हो. Okay, so this point will give us the idea of 90 degree, but we want to make 105, so it will be outside 90 degree. ये अंदर की तरफ हो जाएगा, so outside of it. So 120 और 60 के बीच, और ये 90 है, so between these two. So from here just simply I will cut. मैं थोड़ा सा बड़ा इसलिए कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, and from here this point, so intersecting point of this, so I need to pass this line from here. Okay, and this will be 105 degree. Okay friends, and this line from M which intersects here. Okay, so this point will be named as E. I just turn on, you will get an idea. This will be 60 degree and this point will be named as E for elephant. Just वो arrow का कोई measurement नहीं था, so we have just extended this arrow and this arrow, though no measurement is given, so intersection point will be point E. So this will be quadrilateral MORE. Hope so clear to you everyone, and you can write the steps of construction based on this, whatever we have done. Okay friends, try to complete it in the notebook. God bless you all.